Pine cones dusted with snow have a wonderful taste. With this recipe, you'll amaze your friends and family. To start, take 180 grams of sponge biscuits. For this recipe, you can use either long or round sponge biscuits. It's important that the biscuits are soft. Next, crumble them with your hands in a bowl. The next ingredient is mascarpone cheese. Add 3 tablespoons of mascarpone to the crumbled biscuits. Then add 2 tablespoons of dark cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons of Nutella or another chocolate spread. Mix the ingredients until you get a smooth dough. Use your hands to knead the dough. When the dough is ready, take a piece and shape it in your hands into a pear-like form. Repeat this with each piece of dough. From these proportions, I made 5 large pieces. The final and most important ingredient for shaping the pine cones is chocapic-type cereal flakes. Start pressing the flakes into the dough, shaping them into pine cones. There are 2 ways to do this. The first method is pressing the flakes from top to bottom. The second method is pressing them from bottom to top. Insert the flakes one by one so that each new layer overlaps the previous one. Ensure the flakes at the top are placed vertically for a realistic pine cone look. Finally, sprinkle the prepared pine cones with powdered sugar. They look like they're dusted with snow. These treats not only impress with their appearance, resembling real pine cones, but also taste delicious. They're perfect as a dessert for cozy winter evenings. Your guests will be delighted. Add to water and water your Christmas tree. It will instantly stop shedding needles. No more worrying about needles all over the floor before Christmas Eve. Every live Christmas tree needs a constant supply of water, so make sure you have a stand that holds water. The tree's size and the room temperature will largely determine how often you need to water it. Check daily to see if there's water in the stand, though even then, trees can lose needles. Here's a simple trick to prevent that. Prepare a special mixture and add it to the water each time you water the tree. This will help it retain its needles. The method is straightforward, but it's essential to prepare the mixture with the right proportions. Use slightly warm water for this fertilizer to help the ingredients dissolve better and faster. For each liter of water, you'll need 3 tablespoons of the mixture, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of salt. I'm preparing half a liter, so I'll use half a tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of salt. Dissolve the sugar and salt in warm water, and the tree fertilizer is ready. Now, water your Christmas tree and enjoy its beautiful green needles all season long. Surprise your loved ones with a simple and quick decoration that works perfectly as a gift or a sweet addition to the holiday table. Start by taking a rectangular piece of cellophane and arranging 5 Ferrero Rocher chocolates in a row. Roll the cellophane slowly and evenly to form a neat tube. Make sure the cellophane fits snugly around the chocolates, but isn't too tight to avoid damaging the delicate treats. Cut a few pieces of string and tie them between each chocolate, pressing gently to shape them. Ensure the string holds firmly but doesn't squash the chocolates. Trim any excess string for a clean look. Fold the ends of the cellophane upward and tie them together with string to form a circular shape. Add a small decoration, like a bauble, attaching it to the top of the wreath. Finally, use a decorative ribbon to tie a bow at the top, completing the elegant look. Done. Your festive Ferrero Rocher wreath is not only beautiful but also delicious. This decoration makes a perfect gift or a unique centerpiece for your Christmas table. Create a festive centerpiece using wine glasses without spending any extra money. It's common to have leftover glasses after some break, so this project is a perfect way to reuse them. Start with a decorative or brightly colored plate as your base. You'll need 3 wine glasses for this project. Before placing them, take a thick, decorative paper, trace the glass rim to create 3 circles and cut them out. Set the circles aside for now. Fill each glass with a mix of baubles in your chosen colors and small ornaments you already have. Seal the tops of the glasses with the paper circles using hot glue, locking the decorations inside. Place the glasses upside down on the plate. For a festive touch, tie red ribbons around the stems, making charming bows. Finally, place small candles on the bases of the inverted glasses. Light the candles to create a stunning centerpiece perfect for a holiday dinner or a cozy winter evening. Enjoy the warm, festive glow that brings a magical atmosphere to your home. Place it on the windowsill. Water and condensation won't settle on the window panes. This adorable ornament will help eliminate moisture. Plus, it looks absolutely charming. Grab a white sock and turn it inside out. Trim the end with scissors. Tie the sock's end using thread. Make a couple of knots to make sure it stays put. Turn the sock right side out. Get some white rice ready. Pour it into the sock. Rice is an excellent moisture absorber. Additionally, it tackles unpleasant odors. Once the sock is filled, tie the top with thread. Then, shape it into 2 balls, holding it in the middle with your hand. The upper ball should be smaller than the one at the bottom. Take some thread and tie it in the middle. Take a long piece of red fabric and tie it in the middle. This will be a small scarf. Take a colorful sock and cut a piece off. Place it on top of the sock to create a little hat. Prepare some black and red pins. Attach the red pin in the middle and 2 black ones on the sides to form eyes and a nose. Insert 3 black pins into the bottom ball. They'll look like buttons. This charming sock snowman will make a delightful holiday decoration. Creating it is as easy as child's play, and kids absolutely love it. Plus, just place it on the windowsill to solve any window-related issues. In winter, windows often collect water, leading to mold. The rice inside the snowman effectively absorbs excess moisture around the window. No one will guess that this ornament has such a practical purpose. This festive snowman is a moisture absorber that looks beautiful and costs next to nothing. People often hang mistletoe in their homes for the holidays, not realizing the potential risks. Its branches symbolize Christmas, traditionally bringing luck, prosperity, and love, as kissing under the mistletoe is thought to ensure happiness and romance. But mistletoe, specifically European mistletoe, Viscum album, is a parasitic plant that can be toxic if ingested. Each winter, after being cut from host trees, mistletoe's white berries, which contain the sticky, toxic substance vicin, appear prominently. Ingesting these berries can cause symptoms like nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. While not typically lethal for adults, even small amounts can be dangerous for children and pets. During the holiday season, dried mistletoe may lose leaves and berries, which can fall unnoticed. Since children or pets might mistake the small white berries for candy, this presents a significant risk. If ingested, even a single berry could lead to serious health issues, especially for pets like cats and dogs, who may be more susceptible to mistletoe's toxicity. When decorating with mistletoe, it's wise to keep it out of reach of young children and animals to prevent accidental ingestion. Alternatively, artificial mistletoe can be a safer option that still captures the festive spirit without any health hazards.